Alright, hello everyone. I'm gonna get started on my type designers industry research, and this is for typography. So let's get started. This is William Caslon. He was born sometime around 1692 or 1693. He was an English type founder. He began a career as an apprentice engraver for gun locks and barrels. He was also a designer for this first sans serif typeface. He founded his own business that was named the Caslon Foundry. I don't even know if I said his last name right. Caslon. Alright, here. This was his typeface specimen sheet right here. And here is the specimen of printing types. You can see there's like different, I guess like sans serif typings that he created. And this was his Arabic typeface that he was commissioned to do. Alright, this is Matthew Carter. Oh, this was Matthew Carter. He was born on October 1st, 1937. He is the son of Harry Carter, who was also a typographic historian. He became an intern at the Enschede, not sure how you say that, type foundry for about a year. This is where he learned to make handmade metal type. He designed early 1.0 fonts, the Verdana and Georgia. He created typeface for the Bell Telephone Company also, which was created by Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, so here's some of his work. Here is his typefaces right here, which is ITC Galliard, Bell Centennial, can't say that properly, I'm sorry. Snail Roundhand and Verdana. Here is his Georgia typeface right here. And here is the Bell typeface when he was working for the Bell Telephone Company. He made the typeface for that company at least. Alright, lastly we have, lastly we have Eric Gill. He was born on February 22nd, 1882, and he passed away on November 17th, 1940. He was an English sculptor, typeface designer, and printmaker associated with the arts and crafts movement. He took evening classes at the Westminster Technical Institute, where he studied stonemasonry he also attended the Central School of Arts and Crafts, and that's where he learned calligraphy. He designed the typeface Perpetua, which was modeled after the monumental Roman inscriptions. Pretty cool. Made Gill Sans typeface inspired by the sans serif lettering. So Gill Sans was pretty much inspired by sans serif lettering. I did not know that. Let's see. Well, this was some of his calligraphy work right here. When he was first learning calligraphy, and here is the Gill Sans, which was inspired by the sans serif. And lastly, there is Perpetua. This is his Perpetua typeface right here, and here's the example. Here's a sample of the regular bold italic and bold italic that he created, and that's about it. That's all I have right now, and thank you all for watching.